Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create animation. Use the Luma Labs, Luma Dream Machine AI video creator here. So first thing to do before you use this Luma AI, you can try to create and sign in with your account. And this is my database. This is my creation, and this one, the Dragon Breath. I made this video sometime a long time 3 months ago. I made this video. So in order, this is the prompt guide. You can click on prompt guide if you confuse how you can create it. For example, let's try to sorry, you are on the wait list. Okay, this is like server is a busy, I assume. So if you're not on the wait list, you can try to type the prompt, any prompt here, in order to create a video like this, animation like this. Breath or drag breath, and this is the result. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.